Hello everyone, I was wondering if I was ever gonna get this box. It took exactly 3 weeks to get here. Granted, it's coming from across the pond, and there was the holidays and then some pretty bad weather, so it's probably normal it took so long, but I'm glad it's finally here. So let's see what we have in this one. It is the December box, even though we're almost mid-January. And oh, I wonder if this was up. No, I don't know. I wonder if this got open. Maybe it stayed in custom or something. I don't know. No, not open. Alrighty, so no snacks? There's got to be one somewhere. There's a really nice print by Queer Mortal. Not sure how to pronounce it, sorry. So I don't know if this is supposed to be gold color, but it's really cool. We have a piece of black paper and a piece of white paper. I don't think it's the same kind. This has more texture to it. This is smoother. This feels more like construction paper. Alright. What do this feels like there's a lot in there. Phew! There is a snack. It's Stinger. I don't. It's probably. Ooh, it's very cold out, so it's really hard. I think it's probably some kind of taffy. The I get it. The cheekiest chew bar on the planet. All right. Let's see. We have a Derwent graphic pencil. It's an HB. A brush 2.0 by Zig. I've got a bunch of them. However, it looks like it's a flat brush, which is very exciting because I have mostly round brushes. Oof. So, yeah, that's pretty nice. And then there's a Micron 05. I've got a bunch of them. I've got the full set of these. Actually, I should make a video for you guys. But those are always nice to have. They're alcohol proof, alcohol marker proof. They're waterproof. I love these. They're great liners. And a full set of the Gansai Tombi, the starry colors. Ooh. They're metallic watercolors. If I can open it. That explains the black paper, because it'll stand out really well on the black paper. White gold, light gold, champagne gold, yellow gold, red gold, and blue gold. Ooh, nice. So I think that's it for the supplies, which is already pretty good considering there's a full set of watercolor pans. And we have as a challenge mythical creatures. Let's see what I can do with all these. Now before I get started, I do want to try to swatch these different colors on a piece of scrap paper. So I fill up my brush which I took apart. I just squeeze on both sides where it says push, and then I put it in the water and let it go. So I should probably dry it so I don't make a mess. There. So I was right on the print, it is gold. Alrighty. I'm gonna squeeze it a little bit so that the water comes out and it wets the bristles. Maybe I should push this so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, so now it's all wet. And now we'll try the blue gold. I'll probably try on the white paper as well. It's very shimmery. So that's the blue gold. So for those of you who don't really know how to use a brush, a water brush, all you have to do is squeeze it a little bit and then rub it on the piece of paper towel, and then it's all clean. Alright, let's try the red gold now. Okay, so that's the swatches. It gives me a better idea of what they look like on both the white and the black paper, since we have one of each in there. I'll have to figure out which one to use, considering I've got these, and this one will work fine on this. We won't see it on this, not much at least, and this will work fine on this, but we won't see it on here. So that I can use all these together in one piece, I think the white paper will work better. Anyway, see you soon. So for this challenge, I did a collaboration piece with Scrawlrgator. She did the line drawing with the Derwent pencil and the Micron fine liner, and I did the coloring with the Gunzai Tombi watercolors. So she came up with this adorable little baby sun dragon, and so I had 6 gold colors to use to color it in. My challenge was to really figure out what colors to use in which parts, because I didn't want it to be all flat. And those watercolors are very nice, they blend very well together. They're also pretty easy to lift up, so I was able to do some lighter areas and darker shadows. I must say my favorite will be the red gold. I really like that red tint to it. So anyway, I hope you like it. If you want to see the first part of it, you will have to go to Scrawlrgator's channel, and I will put a link in the description box below. So don't hesitate to check out what she does. She does a lot of fun little drawings, and subscribe if you like what you see. And I'm sure she'll be very happy if you do. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye bye.